today's video, I'm back with a new way of making money online. You can do it anywhere in the world. Let's go. Straight into it. I want to talk to you about Coin App. So Coin App is a geo-mining app that will reward you with coins. So it's a coin, but it is a crypto coin in exchange for you to share your location. So they're gathering data with your location and they reward you with coins. So what can you do with the coins? You can just keep them in your crypto wallet, or you can redeem them for digital assets or physical items as well. So you have a few options. So the good thing is that it is available whether you have an Apple phone or an Android phone. So it's really broad. I mean, everybody can use it. How does it work? You simply have, you have different ways of making money with this app. So this app is working in the background. So it's kind of a passive income in a way. So it is recommended to move a lot, to drive a lot to earn more coins. So if you are already driving a lot for your job, if you're a truck driver, if you're a bus driver, taxi driver, if you are a Uber driver, a DoorDash driver, skip the dishes driver, whatever type of driver you are, courier driver too, that would work. If you use this app when you're driving, you are geo-mining your location. So the app is gonna use your data, and the more you drive, the more locations you're going to, the more coins you will make. It is not gonna make you rich. Just keep that in mind. It is not gonna replace your full-time income, but it will complement your income. So it will give you an extra $140, $50 maybe per month just by doing your job. So it's not like you have to do anything extra by using this app. You just need to do your job, which is never bad because it is free money in a way. So now I'm gonna show you how it looks like in the app. Loading, and I'm using the app. I'm not moving a lot. I'm not driving a lot. I work from home and I'm not driving a lot during the day. So I get rewards just by using the app in the background. And as you can see, I just earned 0.56 coin. It's not much, but it is something, right? So I'm just gonna collect. All right, so this is how the app looks like. You can see the purple area is a tile. So I need to geo-mine my location to earn some coins, right? So you have different ways of earning coins. You don't necessarily need to drive. As you can see, if you use the app in the background as well, you can earn some coins. If you are driving, bear in mind that you will need to have the app in the forefront of your phone. So if you're using usually Google Maps to drive places, it's not going to work. You're going to have to use this app on as the main app when you're driving. So you have different ways as well to get some rewards and to get some coins. And if you go on the right side of your screen, you have a plus button. You can just click on it, and here it's gonna show you the other ways of making money. So you can do some tasks. So if we go there, you can see that I've got unlocked the surveys and the games. So if you go to the surveys, let's go, and I'll show you how it works. So here, if you do these surveys, so they tell you how long it's going to take to complete as well. So you can see 10 minutes. That's between 10 and 25 minutes from what I can see on average. And you know exactly how many coins you will get if you complete this service. So if you do complete all of them, that's how much you make. So that's for the service. Now if we go back, you can do games as well, video games. So if you go here, let's go to that one. I've never done those, but let's check them out. Here, let's say Board Kings. It's a board game, and you can earn 19,000 coins. So for if you complete levels, I mean, I'm really not good at games, but for whoever is keen on playing games and is good at it, you can earn quite a few coins. You need to complete a lot of levels, but it can be done, and I'm sure for gamers that's a joke. So here you see different games. You can earn playing different games, and it shows you exactly how many coins you can get as well. So that's for the games. Now if we go back to this one, you have the bonus drop as well. Never done that either, and I wouldn't know how it works yet. This one you can collect some coins every 24 hours. So here I can collect some coins. Let's collect. Then the referral rewards. If you refer people, they receive 1,000 coins, and you get some earnings as well on what they're earning too. So if you do use the link below the video, my referral link, you will get 1,000 coins when you join. Again, it's completely free, so you know you can get your app set up and refer as well to other people you know. Then you have as well the background reward, which is the one I'm doing, and you just collect some coin just by having the app installed in your phone, and that's pretty much it. I collected not much, just 4 coins. It's not much, but you know what? It's just free. It's in the background. So Coin app pays you in XYO. So it's a crypto coin, and let's go check out what is the price of the XYO. So here I went to CoinMarketCap. That's where you can see the price of all the tokens really. And you can see that for now, the token, the XYO token, is only worth $0.007, which is not much. But bear in mind, crypto is very volatile, especially now. It goes up and down. We're right now in a bear market, so it tends to go down more than it goes up, right? But think of the future, right? Because if you think about it, people first invested in Bitcoin. The token, Bitcoin was worth pretty much nothing when it started. It had almost no value. Nobody believed in it. Look at now, it ended up being like almost at $60,000. Now it dropped down to 20,000, I believe now. But it shows you the potential of cryptocurrency. So if you think of long term, and if you just think that this coin is fairly new, and that, you know, maybe in 10 years it's going to be worth quite some money actually. So what does it take you to just install the app, have that working in the background, mine? You know, it's fun too, and it doesn't require any work on your end. You just need to install the app. That's pretty much the only work you have to do, is installing the app. So why don't you just go click the link below my video, set up your app if you don't already have it. If you do have it, I would love to have more feedback about it because I just found out about this app. I didn't know anything about it. So I didn't know anything about this app, and I would love to know more about it from people who have used it for some time. Are you still using it? Did you give up on it? Like, what do you think of this app? I know that for me, I know you can redeem digital products as well, but in my opinion, it is more interesting to redeem your XYO coin. You can link your Coinbase wallet if you want to. I mean, that's what I will do most probably to redeem. I don't have enough. I don't think I do have enough to just redeem right now. It's pretty much nothing. But yeah, if you do have experience with this app, I would love to hear your feedback. If you stopped using it, please leave a comment below. Tell me why you stopped. Or if you do like it, give me some feedback as well. Let me know what you love about it. I believe it is a great app for people that are driving regularly. So if you're a driver, a truck driver, bus driver, taxi driver, Uber driver, or food delivery driver, it's great for you. I mean, you just have to run it while you're doing your job, and that's all you have to do. If you can let me know if you ever used it, if you can let me know what was your biggest earning, do so, leave a comment below. I would love to hear about that as well. And yeah, that's it for this video. Everyone, for watching my video. I really appreciate the time you take to watch my videos every week. I'll bring you a new video next week if you want to come along and check out the new video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe to the channel, give me some thumbs up. I would really appreciate that, and I'll see you next week for a new video. See you guys.